Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in previous video, I showed you as to how you can install Ubuntu in GNS3. So if you have not watched that series, I would recommend you just go and see that series so that you can get better idea because this is the subsequent part of that video. So in this video, I'll show you as to how you can make an external connectivity of an Ubuntu machine. Let's say if this is an Ubuntu machine, you can drag the Ubuntu machine here. So once it's dragged, you can go to the console, right click and go to console, or you can go from here also once you open and on it, and you will get kind of window like this. So here, if I see open terminal, and if I check the configuration, you would see there is a configuration in loopback 0, but there isn't any configuration in ENS3, this box, right, this side. So again, if I ping google.com from here, you would not be able to ping it. Okay, google.com, unknown host and all, because it has got no idea about the outside world. So that's why it is not able to go to any of the external DNS and get a query from there that what is the IP address of the Google. Because this is, I mean, the territory of the GNS3, I mean, this Ubuntu is the GNS3 only. So how we can consider, I mean, integrate it from outside world with outside world. So for that, you'll need to go to GNS3. So here, drag one switch, run it in the VM. So once you drag the switch, make a connectivity between Ubuntu and your switch. And there is another component which is called net. This is the component which is responsible to bridge your internal VM connectivity, GNS3 connectivity with outside world. So let me make a connectivity between this also. So once I do it, what I'll do, I'll stop the instance. I sure you want to stop. Yes, I've stopped. And once I start it, let's say this terminal gone. So I've started it. I'll right click, go to console. So here I would see that the Ubuntu is coming up. Here is your machine. Password is osboxes.org. Will take you inside. This is really helpful when it comes to the GNS3 projects, because at times if you are in automation projects and you see the network appliance is not working because it seldom asks to install us as such pass. So and due to some restrictions we are not able to do that. So this is the best idea actually. Go to terminal, let the terminal open, and if you see, if I have configured again, there's an IP address that's provided by your router to it. Now if you ping google.com from here, you can see the results. It's going outside, hitting the net, getting the IP of the Google from external DNS, and voila, it's working. So that's it in this video, guys. And please like, share, and subscribe for such tech hacks. That will be really helpful for you. Uh, so let me end the video here and take good care of yourself. I'll see you on another video. Thank you.